Hey there everybody, if you're looking how to install RAM into any kind of laptop or the Lenovo LOQ 15.6, then this video right here will teach you how to do it in a flash. Alright everybody, so go ahead and flip your beautiful laptop over, and first things first, you're going to get a pair of screwdrivers. Go ahead and get a smaller pair, especially dealing with electronics. They're always going to tend to be a little bit smaller and require smaller screwdrivers and screws, so do that for yourself. Then second step, unscrew the bolts right here, and there are a plentiful amount of bolts. Some people have automatic screwdrivers, some people have manual screwdrivers like me, and it takes just a little bit. So when you're done, come back to this video, okay? Alrighty, you made it back. Third, get a thin card-like object. Something that's, thin enough to go ahead and fit within the bezel, but strong enough to power it up when you need to, okay? So go ahead and take that beautiful panel off. Make sure to get it all the way through and don't crack it, okay? And fourth, the metallic cover is your beautiful covering that holds your RAM sticks. Look at those. These are your RAM sticks right here, okay? And go ahead and take that off. Don't worry about it. That tape is pretty strong and it will come back together. And you're going to go ahead and lightly pull the clamps away from the RAM, okay? So there's going to be two on each side. Just go ahead and pull it down nicely, as seen. And bam, they're going to go ahead and flop up, okay, when they are detached correctly. So they should pop up a little bit. Go ahead and take it out. And I'm just showing you the ones that were automatically on this Lenovo LOQ 15.6 right here. And there you go. And we're going to go ahead and install these bad boys, these new babies, the crucials right here. 24 gigabyte. And whenever you are installing electronics, you don't want to drop them or bend them to damage the components inside. And there you go. Make sure that you click it down, and once you click it down, it will automatically attach itself to the clamp. I don't, retouch the things on the side. It'll just automatically do it, and make sure that you are putting it in the correct side. Just like right here, I was having trouble. Just had to flip it over, and bam, it'll go in. Just go ahead and push it down, and it'll lock. Okay, the device will automatically lock. Don't play with the phalanges on the side anymore, okay? Those are done. See how it's popped out, and then bam, okay? Snapped in, and as you see right here, they're nice and flush. I gave it some movement. They're not moving around or anything like that. They are good. Pushing them down, and they're beautiful. These screws are good to go. So let's go ahead and pop this panel right back in. Power up this computer. Always power it down before you do anything like this, okay? So we're going to power it back up. And then we'll go ahead and take a look and see if the system is registering the beautiful crucial RAM I just installed. Yeah, buddy. There it is. My beautiful new 24 gigabytes of RAM are nice and installed. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give me a follow. Please do take time. And I'm a student now, a full-time student. And I just started my cybersecurity degree, my environmental science degree. So I'm double majoring. It's crazy. Appreciate you all.